Hi guys, what's up? Right now I put my dog outside because okay, I'll be down in a second. Goodness. I put my dog outside because she's being crazy, and of course she's just barking like a psychopath. I'm trying to look for my charger to my camera because it's dead again. Not surprised. This camera always dies. It's so annoying. God, what the fuck? But yeah, it's already a crazy morning. Bandit pooped inside the house. My cat threw up inside the house. And it's just very frustrating because it's like once we moved in here, the cat started acting up and throwing up everywhere. Which she's fine. She only does that when she eats a lot, but normally she would throw up somewhere like that wasn't that important. But of course it's on the carpet. Bandit, over here. Bandit! Get in your kennel. Get in. You don't want to be outside, so you could be in your kennel. I'm just very frustrated too because I cleaned clean this house really good, and Josh of course just destroys it. Like, it's just so frustrating because I'm like, it's like, dude, just put stuff back where you get it. Like, he'll empty out the washer and dryer and throw it all on the floor. And I'm like, why are you throwing clean clothes on the dirty floor? Like, what sense does that make to you? I just picked up my sister Vicky, and now we're at Sonic. I'm gonna get them some slushies and me one too because they're so good. And then we're gonna head home and they're gonna go in the pool and hang out and that fun stuff. And then I'm gonna drop Maddie off with her grandma at 4:30, so that'll be fun. Yeah, so I'm excited to have a Sonic slushie. It's super hot today. It's 92 degrees, so it'll be nice to get one.
1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then drizzle it all around. Season it with salt and pepper. Don't let dog touch it. Mix it all together. Homemade chicken fajitas. Want to know what I really eat in a day? Let me show you. Chia pudding with
Hi, can I get 2 small grape slushies with nerds candy? Can I get a medium strawberry limeade? Okay, so I'll do the cherry limeade. And an order of your cheddar peppers, and that's it. Small. Yeah. That'll be it. So I just got back from dropping off Maddie and my sister. It's about 6:30 now. And yeah, and I finished making dinner. So I made beef taquitos and red rice. So yeah. Now Josh and I are gonna have a movie night, relax, and hang out with each other. Hi guys. So I just got done filming my sit-down video. I used my ring light for the first time, and oh my goodness, so much better quality. Like, I always was like, it has to be an editing software that people are using to get their videos to look so good. No, it's that freaking ring light. Like, you guys need to purchase one. I'll link it in my description box if you have if you want a really good ring light for a good price, because I definitely recommend it. But yeah, so I just got done filming my sit-down video, and yeah, and I got ready for the day. As you can see, these eyelashes were a bitch to put on. Yeah, these eyelashes were horrible to put on. I was getting so frustrated, but I love them so much. They work so good, and I like how they're they're smaller in the beginning, and then they get thicker at the end, which I like because sometimes you just have to trim it off yourself, and that's kind of annoying. Oh, I want it and poured it off. But yeah, so I filmed this video and now it's not going on to my desktop, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, so super excited I got to film that. I kind of like want to film more sit down videos because I've got all ready today, but I just don't know what else I want to film. Yeah, I don't know. And I use my new tripod too, and I love it because it's very sturdy, and I didn't have to figure out if it was, I didn't have to scare myself to see if it was going to fall over or anything, so that was nice. So I think I'm going to go ahead and edit this video real quick. With my honey bunny bunches of oats. What do you think so far, babe?
Really good.
Really yummy, huh? So we're going to try these ones. I've had those ones before. They're super good, and we're going to try these ones. Okay guys, now we're at Dutch Bros. And I'm excited. So ready to have some Dutch Bros. It's gonna be bomb. This is our second time being here. The first time was really good. The second time I'm sure it'll be just as good. And we're just hanging out. Lunch was amazing. I'm so full. I feel like I'm gonna be full until like I'm 80. The wings were fire. Yeah, that's what's going on. It's really nice to get some quality time with my Joshy Poo because I just love him so much. He hates when I call him Joshy Poo. He's just so darn cute though. I have to. Okay guys, I about finished. The color I have on there is like super light. So I need to go to Home Depot because this one's like a cream color. I needed white. So I'm going to go to Home Depot and pick that up. But pretty much it's almost done. There is one part that's super crooked, so I need to fix that. But yeah, this is what I got going for me so far. It's been a long morning. I'm honestly tired. Like, oh gosh, I don't know like how to use this stupid camera thing. Yeah, the morning's been really long for me. I'm tired. And I think I'm gonna call it a day on this. I'm gonna paint it when I get home. But as of right now, I think I'm done with it for now. Because I don't have the patience. And when I start getting impatient, I start messing things up, and I just don't want to do that, so I'm gonna chill with it. But I like it. I just was hoping it was gonna come out like how everybody else's does. Like my wood, I cut myself, so it's all crooked. But But some wood filler is going to help out so much, and I hope it'll make it look a little bit better. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Okay guys, why is it on my face? So I am gonna head out right now to go pick up my beautiful baby Madison. And yeah, so I want to show you guys real quick what I was able to get up. So I'm trying to like put the pieces together for our house right now, as far as like getting the small stuff done. But I was able to put this mirror up, which me and Josh tried doing it last time and we couldn't, just because like the little holes on it are like really weird, so it's hard to like line it up with your screw. But I was finally able to do it by myself. It took me like less than 5 minutes, which I think it's like easier to do something like this when you're not like getting frustrated. But yeah, so I was able to get that up. I'm gonna put like a bench right here, and yeah, so I'm gonna head out. Gotta put Bandit away, like a jack over there. I got stuff prepared for dinner tonight. I just need to go to the store and get scalloped potatoes. And hi Bubba's, we gotta go put you in your kennel. I just have to go to the store to get scalloped potatoes, ranch. Oh, let me make a list right now while I'm saying what the heck I need. Hold on. Scalloped potatoes. Bandit! Hey! Hey! No. Get in. I have to go. I'll be right back, okay? Goodness, this dog is crazy. So I'm just trying to finish the rest of the house before our housewarming party. Josh is gonna have to mow the lawn Friday. I'm gonna have to clear out the garage the rest of this week. And yeah, I'm excited to just have people over. Like, I know a lot of people have seen it like when we first moved in, but nobody really seen it like when we got our furniture in, like when we organized and stuff. So that's gonna be really nice. Oh, I literally forget how bad it is when you have leather seats until like now. But so yeah, I'm gonna head out, get Maddie, and I'm gonna go to the store first before I pick her up, and then get her, bring her back home, hang out with my babes, and then I do want to take her to the park tonight, so that'll be fun, and then eat dinner, you know, all that good stuff.